You guys are like 2 peas in a pod waiting for the washing machine. She's investigating. So we're trying to get it to work. What's Mrs. Bieber doing? Not taking her medicine is what she's not doing. Mommy got the new strawberry Red Bull to try. Tastes like wine to me. Bubbly wine. Was wine bubbly when I used to buy it? I don't remember.
Champagne.
Oh, champagne's bubbly. Okay. And wine was just like flat? Yeah, I kind of remember now. It's been so long since I got to drink anything. But I can't drink because I'm dying. What you doing, Beepa? Dun 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 dun. I'm so bored. Okay.